And then it's down to my growth tasks. If you've not heard me talk about my growth tasks before, basically what this means is it's tasks that will ultimately get you towards your goal, okay? Ultimately, that will get you towards where you want to be. So there's a difference between a maintenance task and a growth task. And I'll share with you why I define them in this way. So back in 2014-15, when I was an electrical engineer, where I worked, we had, as an engineer, we had maintenance tasks and installation tasks, a part of engineering. Maintenance tasks were basically making sure that machines don't break down. So when I became a business owner and I started to work in my own business, I started to think, right, we need to have maintenance tasks, which basically prevents your business from breaking down, which basically prevents your business from declining. You need to have maintenance tasks. And then growth tasks. Instead of installation tasks, it's then growth tasks. So installation tasks, what we did back at the Steelworks, would be I'm installing a new system. A growth task in your life, in your business, would be you're looking to implement a new system of somewhat. So I've been focusing on this since 2015, growth versus maintenance, tried to do at least 3 growth tasks per day. And they could be things from growing your business, whatever you need to do to grow your business in terms of like whether you need to find new products for your business, whether you need to outsource to virtual assistants, whether you need to create some procedures to outsource something, whether you need to look at a system that you've currently got and you need to improve that. They're like growth tasks. So for me today, and I have a number of growth tasks. One of them was look at all my overview reports and then give feedback, growth-related feedback to all my operations managers. So that's basically one growth task of mine. I also have content creation, so I'm trying to help as many people as I possibly can. The more I do that, then the more hopefully I'll be able to support you guys. So